Cobb County homeowners, if you're thinking about selling your home, this is how Clareo Real Estate gets it done. This is one of our recent listings in Marietta, Georgia, and I'm going to walk you step by step through what we did to get this home sold. Step one was to come up with a game plan. We discussed timeline, pricing, and a specific strategy to get this home sold. Smells clean. We bring in professional local cleaners to make sure your home sparkles before showings. Professional Home Staging sells homes. With every listing, we include a professional consultation and will stage your home and bring in furniture if necessary. We want to make sure we highlight your home's best features. Step 4. Professional photography, videography, drone work, and floor plan on every listing, no exceptions. Step 5. Open houses and a paid marketing campaign to make sure your home gets seen locally and nationally. Text me for your personalized 5-step strategy for selling your home. We'll create a clear path to success for you. I'm Deborah Morton with Clareo Real Estate. Thanks for joining.